Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Traces coming to you live from Vietnam. This is our afternoon, evening drive time update, guys. Hopefully you guys are having a great day out there. And yeah, what can I say? You know, it's like Shiba Inu is going to the moon, guys. Remember, this video is not financial advice. This is just OG in the house. Just spreading the good vibe and hopefully creating a more of a positive environment for crypto. And guys and gals out there, it's a beautiful Sunday here in Vietnam. Well, it's not beautiful. It's raining cats and dogs, but it's a beautiful time to be alive. And you guys should be enjoying your Sunday. Spend some time with your family. Spend some time with your wife. Hug your wife, hug your kids, and just spread the good word, spread the good joy, and just live every moment like it's your last, guys. So getting back to business, it looks like Shiba Inu is it's going to the moon, guys, and we're going to talk about that. If we look at all the crypto news right now, it's all Shiba Inu all-time highs, Shiba Inu all-time highs, and the other question: can Shiba Inu flip Dogecoin? Can that happen? Who knows? This is crypto. Anything is possible. So I'm quite surprised that Shiba Inu is a comeback kid. It's been going sideways for a couple of weeks, and just like nothing happened. And then this whole marketing email that went around from Robinhood, it really has ignited the euphoria for Shiba Inu. And this is all the retail investors. All retail investors are aping into Shiba Inu right now. We're going to look at the social sentiment as well. We're going to look at some of the data there. We're going to look at some of the top trending coins on Twitter as well. We're going to also look at looks like something weird is going on with YouTube and some nefarious people who are kind of breaking into accounts and using that for live streaming some kind of nefarious stuff. So we're going to jump into that. We're going to jump into the TA. We're going to jump into the coin prices. Also, looks like the Bitcoin dominance is dropping as well. And guys and gals, just remember, keep your crypto safe out there. Remember, turn on two-factor authentication. And also, too, if you're a YouTube channel out there, now is the time to turn on two-factor authentication. That's really important. That way, strange stuff doesn't happen. And also, guys and gals, remember, when you're investing in crypto, there's a couple of main behaviors that you guys really need to understand. One, you need to take emotion out of investing, guys. That's so important, because if you're over emotional about your crypto, it really clouds your judgment. And then it lends people to panic sell. It lends people to FOMO into projects. Remember, this is not knocking Shiba Inu, but I'm saying right now, as it approaches its all-time highs, I'm sure there's a lot of new investors out there who really have not been in the space very long, and they're probably jumping into Shiba Inu, and hopefully that it's going to go higher and higher. Well, frankly speaking, maybe long term it can, but definitely when we're riding these 40-50% in one day, maybe it goes up 100%, but at some point it can go back down. So and depending on your luck, if you ape in to Shiba Inu when it's close to its peak point of where it's gone up, let's say it's gone up 200%, let's say it goes up 200% this run, okay? So it's at 200%, and you think, wow, it's going to go up 250%. So you jump in, and then there's a big reversal. So then what's going to happen is you're going to end up holding the bag for a while, and that's what happened with. That's what also happened with Dogecoin during the SNL times. There's a lot of hype, a lot of euphoria. Social sentiment was going crazy. People were tweeting up a storm. This is the best thing since plastic, right? And you guys have to be careful. Don't FOMO in at the top. Please be careful. And also, too, don't put all your eggs in one basket. It's so important to diversify. So that's one thing. Don't trade with emotion. Then that will eliminate the panic selling, and this will also eliminate when people go nuts and FOMO in. So guys, be careful. The other thing you want to do is you always want a dollar cost average, guys. And dollar cost averaging is very, very important. What you can do is you just set a day that you buy certain cryptocurrencies, and you just dollar cost average into that. And that's really good. And what's going to happen, particularly if you buy something at the top and you dollar cost average as it goes down, that's going to reduce your strike price. So ethereum is a good project to dollar cost averaging into. Bitcoin is, and a lot of the top 10 projects are really good. Okay, so let's talk about Dogecoin. A lot of people are getting a little bit tired of Dogecoin because it's going sideways. It's become more like a stable coin. And you guys have to understand that Dogecoin is not just a cryptocurrency. It's not just there for making money. Sure, that's part of it. But Dogecoin is also about the community, guys. Dogecoin is also a gateway entry crypto into the space. And a lot of people have got into Dogecoin because it's available, it's inexpensive. And the other thing about Dogecoin, it's been around since 2013. So it's not going to disappear overnight, okay? So there are a lot of projects. I mean, there's more than 10,000 tokens out there, and there's new tokens being listed every day. So sure, I mean, so there's a lot of great projects out there, but for me personally, I only stay in the top 20, top 50 projects, and I never invest in anything that's younger than 2 years. I just stay away from that. So guys, let's jump into content. I'll stop chitty chattering out there. So let's jump into content, guys. We've got tons of content to look at. And guys, please go back and watch some of my other videos. And yeah, I got more of a formal setting here in Da Nang. I've got a little bit of an office set up here. It's raining, so I'm not going outside to do any location video shooting. Once the weather gets better, and also too, we have the virus thing, and so we're there's a lot of restrictions going on. So I'm pretty much homebound until things ease up, and then once that happens, we're going to do more of the crypto videos on location. So not only will you get the crypto news, you'll get the good vibe from the OG. You're also going to get some almost like a video vlog, a travel vlog of what Vietnam is like and the food and this and that. So I think it's going to be amazing. I think it's going to be fantastic. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. So guys, with that being said, let's jump into the content. Go right down there, smash the like you like, smash the likes right now, guys, and subscribe, BYB, and don't forget to comment, leave a comment, and keep the comments respectful. I know there's a lot of Debbie Downers that live under rocks, but don't don't throw stones if you live in a glass house. Try to be positive, be constructive. I mean, if there's something in this channel that you'd like me to improve, definitely hit me up with a comment. I appreciate that. So before that's being said, I have Matthew Cooper, one of my subscribers, big fans out there. He's just got Matthew's just got his mug to mug. So congratulations on getting the mug to mug. Trust me, the coffee tastes better. It's full of joy. It's full of love. So get the mug to mug. And Matthew has a real serious setup there. Look at that. Wow, way to go, Matthew. Crypto trader in the house, guys. So some other stuff we're looking at right now. So if we look at the top 10 mentioned cryptocurrencies on Twitter right now, we've got Bitcoin is number one. Right now we're seeing that Shiba Inu is the second largest tweeted out cryptocurrency on there, followed by Ethereum, then Doge, then we got CDA, we got Ecomi, we got Solana, we got Chainlink, we got Curve, and then we got Cardano. So this is what people are talking about this weekend. I mean, overall, we're seeing that the volumes are pretty light. It's a weekend. It's Sunday here in Vietnam, and it's early Sunday morning in Sunday afternoon in Asia, Middle East, and Africa, and it's going to be Sunday early morning in America, guys. So I can't deny Shiba Inu is pumping like crazy, guys, and it's going to the moon, guys. So before we do that, let's talk about cryptocurrency. Who's holding what? Let's talk about some of the demographics of cryptocurrency. I thought this was a really interesting report, and it says that 26.4% of Australian crypto owners hold Cardano, while Dogecoin is a big bet. And in Japan, the number one crypto holding is Bitcoin, and the Japanese average holding of Bitcoin goes above the global average. So let's just look at this. I think this is really kind of cool, and this is a really good information for the weekend. Sit back, relax, and we're going to jump into more Shiba Inu. We're going to jump into Bitcoin. We're going to jump into Doge. So basically, this was a survey, and there was about 44,000 people that were, the survey was conducted in. This included the United States, Australia, UK, Mexico, Germany, Canada, and a lot of other countries. So the survey results reveal that key global cryptocurrency trends as adaptation countries gaining traction worldwide. So currently, there is little over 1 in 10 adults own cryptocurrency globally. All right, and that's about 11.4% of adults worldwide own cryptocurrency. So interestingly enough, it seems that Nigeria, I didn't know that. So this is really good informatics here, guys. So Nigeria has the highest rate of cryptocurrency ownership in the world, with 24.2% of its online population say they own a form of cryptocurrency, followed by Malaysia 18%, and then Australia respectively. So it looks like the Aussies and the Malaysians are really big into crypto. And Nigeria, wow, 24%. So that's a lot of people that own crypto. While the U.S. ranked 10th with 10.4%, Japan surfaced as a country with the lowest adoption with only 4.6%. Now that was kind of interesting. I thought that Japan would have a much higher adaptation rate for cryptocurrency because they're a pretty switched on country. You know, they're pretty tech savvy. But I found that quite interesting. What do you guys think? Don't forget to smash the likes, guys. So Nigeria was number one. It seems number one, and their primary holdings, they look like they like Bitcoin. Followed by Malaysia. They also love Bitcoin, and it looks like Australia is number 3, Indonesia number 4, Hong Kong, Singapore pretty savvy. They seem to like Bitcoin as well, and India is also way up there. And then as we get lower down, we see that you see that Bitcoin is pretty much dominant. So we can see that, you know, the average is 11.4% of all adults own crypto, 6.8% are into Bitcoin, 3.2% are into Ethereum, Cardano is 2.2%, Binance Coin 1.9%, and it seems that in Indonesia, Binance Coin is really popular. I thought that was quite interesting, as well as Doge. So you can see here, it's very, very interesting. And we see that Japan, you know, they're basically owning Bitcoin. I mean, they love Bitcoin. You know, they're into Bitcoin. That's it. So most popular cryptocurrencies by country. So Bitcoin has the highest adaptation rate in Japan. 76% of all adults who own crypto say they own Bitcoin. So that's pretty interesting, guys. This is 1.3 times higher than the global average. So the Japanese are really into Bitcoin. So, and then the average global average of adaptation into Bitcoin is 58.9%. So Ethereum has the highest adaptation rate in Singapore with 50.4% of adults into Ethereum. So Ethereum is pretty big and pretty popular in Singapore. So I didn't know that. And Cardano seems to be pretty big and huge in Australia. So the Aussies get the stake on the Barbie. They tend to like ADA. I don't know why. And Binance Coin has the highest adoption rate in Indonesia, about 26.9% of adults claiming BNB. So meanwhile, Doge seems to be the most popular coin in the US right now, and it's 30.6% of all crypto owners in the US are holding Doge. So that's pretty good. And then, you know, if we look at the demographics, globally, men are 1.4 times more likely to own cryptocurrencies than women, while as it stands, roughly 41% of crypto owners are women and 59% are men. There is an exception in Mexico, though. When diving deeper into crypto adaptation between men and women, Mexico serves as the only country in which women 5.37% own cryptocurrency as compared to men. So the women in Mexico, if you're a Mexican woman, it means you guys are tough. So, and here's the demographics. You can see here, Japan, we can see 77% male, and so forth and so on. So, you know, the only country where, you know, Mexico is we have more females. Philippines, about 50-50. Brazil, 50-50. So let's take a look at America. Where's America? America, where are you? America, Germany. So United States, like 31 to 68%. And UK. So you can see crypto is pretty much a male-orientated, male-dominated space. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I thought this was kind of like some really cool informatics, and you know, it's a good Sunday kind of primer into crypto, guys. So this is kind of cool beans. So once again, if we jump it back into Shiba Inu, you can see that Shiba Inu sentiment sees euphoria fade right before the price hike. So you can see that what happens is the euphoria, this is euphoria here, the purple line. So this is positive, negative sentiment. And you can see every time the euphoria goes up and then goes down, then we have a price pump. Euphoria goes up, and then it goes down, and then when euphoria goes down, or when the social sentiment starts to go down, go negative, then we get the pumps. It's kind of interesting. You know, normally it doesn't happen that way. Normally, as the social sentiment goes up, the price goes up. So this is kind of indicative of what is normal. So this is kind of interesting. And what happens is, I think what's happening is people they see the sentiment they see it's going up, and then they keep watching, and then as it goes down, they think, oh, I'm missing a boat, the ape in. So this is really indicative that there could be a lot of FOMO driving the price of Shiba Inu right now. So once again, guys, just be careful. Don't FOMO in the top. Remove your emotions from trading. That's so important, guys. So here's another question. Shiba Inu gears up to flip Dogecoin anytime. Do you guys think that's going to happen? Let's take a look at the market cap of Shiba Inu and the Doge. So right now we can see that the market cap of Shiba Inu is 23 billion and some change, right? And right now we're seeing that Shiba Inu is trading at 39, bunch of zeros at 39. And we had an all-time high of a bunch of zeros and 40. And we're right now 1.4% off our all-time high, guys. So the total market cap is 23 billion. And then if we look at Doge is about 10 billion more in terms of market cap. Doge is also up a little bit. It's at 24,792. It's been there. Doge has just kind of been doing that all day, guys. Trust me, it's been doing that all day. So yeah, Shiba Inu has picked up a lot. It's up 40% today. So anyone that bought in this morning before the huge pump, congratulations, guys. You're making bankity bank bank. But just remember, beware that what goes up can come down, and don't forget to take your emotions out of it, and don't forget to take your profits. Remember, this is not financial advice. And if you like what you're seeing and you like this channel so far and you like this content, go down and smash the like, subscribing. And if you're watching a live stream, please consider giving a super chat. It all goes to charity, guys. You're gonna love it. I love it. So what do you guys think? You think that Shiba Inu is going to flip a Dogecoin? Hit me up with a comment. Smash the likes, guys. So you can see that Shiba Inu surged over 45% in 2 days to reach all-time highs, guys. So Shiba Inu is going nuts, and one of the big reasons why we're seeing this this bullish trend, and why it's been going this way, because since October 15th it's just going sideways, right? And it was roughly around about 27.96 with the support levels. So here's like I said, we have these support levels that we're going this way around about 27 around this area, right? Around 27, 28 area. And since then, with this was the start of the Robinhood news. And since then, since the Robinhood news came out, that there's this marketing survey, and they're asking people, do you want Shiba Inu to be on their platform? Of course, everyone said yes, yes, yes. Since then, we're seeing a lot of Twitter, we're seeing a lot of Facebook, we're seeing a lot of stuff happening in the social space, and that's really driven up the sentiment. And as the sentiment is going up, there's been a lot of people FOMOing in. So you can see here, we had our impulse to upside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So where do I think things are going? I think that Shiba Inu is probably going to continue doing this for another 24 hours, and then it'll probably settle down to around about this area, guys. That's what I think. I could be wrong. Hopefully I'm wrong. Hopefully Shiba Inu keeps pumpity pump pump. So you can see, just everybody's talking about Shiba Inu. Here's another article. You guys need to be aware of this. It looks like some of the YouTube channels have had nefarious actors take over some channels and rebrand, and are live streaming some kind of nefarious and not good projects. So guys, watch out for that. Be very careful out there with that. So just be careful, guys. I'm not going to dive into it too much because I don't want the AI going crazy on me. So with that being said, guys, let's jump into the total fear and greed index. Yesterday it was at 74. It's gone down slightly a little bit. So I still think that Bitcoin is still a good pickup. You can buy the dippy dips. Ethereum is a good pickup right now. So there's a lot of altcoins that are still on sale, and I believe that the altcoin season is still not started. And when it does, we're going to see projects 2x, 4x, 10x from here. So it's not too late to get into it. I also see that ADA is going to start pumping soon. ADA has been doing what Shiba Inu has been doing. It's been going sideways for a very long time. So the Shiba Inu pump is in, guys. So we need the Doge to giddy on up. So our total market cap right now is about 2.56 trillion, and that's down for the day. Right now we're down almost about 1%, guys and gals. So it's a weekend. Typically Monday to Friday things pump, and Saturday and Sundays things tend to dump. Now in previous cycles, in September, which was kind of Debbie Downer, we kind of had the weekends were pumping, and from like Friday to Sunday things were pumping, and Monday to Thursday things are kind of dumping. So we're getting back to the pretty normal groove of things, where Monday to Friday things are kind of lackluster. Things are doing pretty good, and then we get the weekend dumps. And that's when we're seeing lots of volume. The volumes are pretty low right now. So let's take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now. So it looks like we're going to we got 13 hours left on this candle. I think we're going to probably close this week is in red. I wouldn't be too worried about it. We're still well above our 21-day EMA. So we're still in bullish. We're still pretty bullish, guys. So BTC, BTC is still looking okay, guys. I wouldn't really panic too much about it. If you look at BTC on the daily chart right now, we're trading at 61,124, and as long as we can stay above, the 60,000 area, I'm still pretty confident, and I'm pretty bullish that Bitcoin is definitely going to go up. And as we saw in September, we had a very similar pattern here in September where things were kind of going down 18%. We're seeing that Bitcoin is doing something similar right now. Bitcoin right now is down around about almost 9% from all-time high. But then once we had, I hate these pop-ups, sorry guys, and then once we had this 18% downward trend, then we had this 63% gain. As you guys can see here, we had this 63% gain, and that took us all the way up to our all-time highs, guys. So it looks like Bitcoin could be doing something pretty similar, and I'm pretty confident that Bitcoin's going to continue going uppity up. And Plan B is saying that, a lot of pundits are saying that right now. So I really wouldn't panic too much about it. Everything's looking pretty good on the Bitcoin chart right now. So do not panic. And if we do go up in the same fashion, if we go up 63%, we went up 59. Here we went down 18. Then we had this whole run up and went up around 59%. If we do something pretty similar, we go up 59%. Let's adjust that to 59%. That takes it up to about 86,000, and that's exactly what Plan B said is going to happen. And I think it's pretty doable, and I wouldn't panic too much. We're having a little bit of consolidation, some profit taking. Doge right now has just been going sideways at 24.85. We got some resistance at 25 cents. Hopefully we can get past that. We have this huge descending triangle from May. We just need Doge to break out of it. Don't give up on the Doge. Yeah, Doge is slow. People are getting tired of it. Yeah, sometimes I'm like banging my head. Why is Doge doing this? But we really need Elon Musk. If you're watching this, when are we going to get you accepting Bitcoin for Tesla? When are we going to get Doge? When can we use Doge to buy a Tesla? Come on, Elon. You said you're going to do it when the miners had more than 50% renewable energy. Make it happen, Elon. We're waiting for you. Keep your promise, brother. And let's take a look at Ethereum in the house right now. So Ethereum in the house right now is trading at 4,100. So we're still above that $4,000 level. So that's really important. That's a really important psychological level that we stay there. So let's keep an eye on that. Worst case scenario, I see that we could maybe do a 17% drop, and that could take us down to $3,300. So I don't, this is about 40%. I think we could drop down before we have our big upside. You could even see, maybe even Bitcoin going down 80% before we have our bounce to the upside. So, I think 40% we're going to continue going down, and we could be, for Bitcoin, we could be, hitting the area of, if we go down 18%, if I call it 18%, then we could see ourselves going all the way down to like $55,000. So keep an eye on that. I think it's 40% we're going to continue going down. 60% we're probably going to go up from here. So let's keep an eye on that. Remember, TA only works until it doesn't. ADA in the house is just going sideways. It's just kind of going. It's at $2.14. It's at the $2.14 support line. It's going sideways. So hopefully we get a breakout, and to get a breakout in ADA, we need some kind of catalyst, guys, some really positive news or something like that. So until then, ADA is just going to keep riding sideways, guys. But it's like, ADA right now is like a coil. It's coiling out. There's lots of pressure. So when it does break out, it's going to break out hard because, this is a huge support area, and, we're being supported by that. And I think ADA is going to break out hard. So if you look at Solana right now, it's a 195. It's come down from where it was yesterday at $222. It's come down significantly, and now we're $195 in the house. So we got $200 is a resistance area we need to get past. we've gone past it, keep getting rejected. So, but it's not looking too bad considering that the total market cap is down almost 1%. So with that being said, let's take a look at the market cap right now. It's at 2.60. The volumes are light right now. It's at 76 billion, and Bitcoin dollars is coming down. So keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on that. This could start to trigger the altcoin season, or at least if not the season, at least the altcoins could start to pump soon, guys. So let's take a look at Bitcoin in the house right now. Bitcoin is at 60,097, so we need to stay above 60,000, up 0.5%. Ethereum is at 4,100, and it's up 2.76%. So Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin over the last 7 days, and that's pretty typical. So this Ethereum has kind of gone back to its usual habits. So this is indicative that the altcoins are going to start to make some moves soon. So yeah, I might start thinking about taking some profits. Once Bitcoin gets around about $78,000, I will be taking some profits out of Bitcoin. Or if I see the Bitcoin dollars suddenly drop, I might take some profits, because you just got to be a little bit careful. But I still think the all-time highs are going to come in conservatively, at least 100,000 conservatively. And we're looking at BNB right now. BNB in the house is at 44,000. Hello, 4,000. Get your words right. Blind as a black, can't get my words right. And BNB is at $479, and that's basically neutral right now. ADA is down 0.5%, it's $2.15, and it's just skirting along the support line there. Solana is at 195, that's down 2.61%. And that's Solana's not doing so good, but people are taking profits. People took profits. It was at $222, and people just started to take profits. So that's why we're seeing a bit of a dip. And DOT is at 43, and that's down 1.32. Doge is up 1%, so it's just 24.8. So it's okay. It's up for the 7 days, and it's also up over the month. So Shiba Inu is the big talk of the town. It's up 40% right now, and it's up 53% for the last 7 days. So if you guys are able to get into that early, that's pretty good, guys. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter, guys. Follow. So what do you guys think? Do you think that Shiba Inu will flip Dogecoin's market cap? Go to my Twitter, tell me what you think, guys, and don't forget to retweet and share, and don't forget to go back and watch Doing Only Good every day. This is where all the super chats, all the memberships, all the Patreon memberships, and all the coffees that you give the channel, we turn that back out and we give it to charity, guys. So support the channel with super chats and do all that kind of stuff. And guys, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, and that way you won't miss any notification, guys, because sometimes YouTube can be sketchy with the notifications. So with that being said, go down there right now, smash that likey, subscribe to Webby in the house, subscribe Webby in the house, and don't forget to comment, and don't forget to check out my links in all of my videos. That's where you can find the link to the Patreon. You can buy the channel a coffee. That's where you can find the link to the merch, guys. Get the merch. The Mugdy Mugs are flying off the handle, guys. So check out the Mugdy Mug. You're gonna want a Mugdy Mug. Get the Mugdy Mug. Everybody loves the Mugdy Mug. Get the Mugdy Mug. It's full of joy. And let's just end up there. And don't forget to go to the wife's channel. The wife's channel. Happy wife, happy life. Go over there. And if you're stressing out from crypto, you can definitely listen to that channel, and there's a lot of cool vibes on there, and chill out. So I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash the like. This is your absolute last chance to smash the like, show the love to the OG, support the channel with a super chat, and God bless each and every one of you. Make every second count. Make every second of your life count, because we don't know when it's the end, right? So guys, spread the love, spread the joy. Hug your wife, hug your kids. Spend some time with your family on this beautiful Sunday. Hopefully the sun is shining where you guys are. It's raining here. It's nighttime. It's getting pretty close to dinner time for the OG. I'm getting hungry. So guys, smash the like. I'll see you in the next one. God bless each and everyone. I'm out. See you later, guys. I love it. Woo!
you.